Tutorial for configuring character personality of Xiaozhi AI agent. First, open the Xiaozhi backend, then click Configure Character. It has 5 pre-configured roles. You can modify them yourself if you don't like them. You can also modify this name yourself. The language below can also be modified by yourself. It supports over 20 languages and dialects, including Chinese, English, Cantonese, Japanese, etc. This one next to it is the voice. There are over 20 voice options available. This section below is the character introduction. You can set the personality you want here. We have templates that can be copied directly. This one below is the memory. It will remember the conversations you have with it. The following is the AI model. There are many options to choose from. For example, the first one responds faster than the others, but its personality content isn't as good as the second one's. Some customers have reported that sometimes the response is slow and it keeps staying in the listening state. Just try switching to another AI agent. The one I'm currently selecting is DeepSeek. Just click Save once you've made your selection. Hands-on tutorial for sharing code configuration. Step 1. Click on the console. Step 2. Find the agent share code in the upper right corner. The effect of clicking it is like this. Then find the sharing code on our website. Copy the sharing code you want. Paste what you just copied and click OK. After adding successfully, there will be an extra configuration. Next is how to manually configure the agent. Click on the console. Click this place. Then click this. Enter the name of your agent and click Confirm. After confirmation, a new one will be created. Click Configure Role. Delete the contents inside. Then find the template of our website. Find the character template you want and copy it. Paste it here. Just click Save.